Welcome, guys. We are here at the Declam Cave Resort, and here is my hubby, my love, and my daughter, and the sister of the daughter of my bestie, and this is my bestie, my pretty bestie. And this is what it looks like. There are so many people here waiting for their slot to get in.
There's a lot of girls over there. Be careful.
And here, this is where we're going to get in. Declam Cave Resort. So we're waiting for our